Picture this. You are at the airport. Your suitcase is heavy. You have your passport in your hand. You look at the big screen. Gate 25. Boarding time, 10:30. But then you hear a loud announcement. The words are fast, too fast. You don't understand.
Did they change the gate? Is the flight delayed? Your heart starts beating fast. You look around. Everyone is walking. You feel lost.
We have all been there. The airport is exciting, but for English learners, it can be stressful. New words, fast announcements, questions from the check-in agent.
But today, it stops. Today, we are going to the airport together.
By the end of this episode, you will know exactly what to say at the airport.
Let's start.
Hey, English learners. Welcome back to the English Master Channel, your cozy place to learn English through real conversations. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Asadilla. Hello, everyone. Whether you are planning a trip or just dreaming of one, thank you for being here today.
Today's topic is very exciting. We are going to the airport.
Yes, the airport is the first step to any adventure. But for English learners, it can feel like a test.
New words, fast announcements, and questions from airport staff. It can be overwhelming.
So today, we will learn everything you need. The words, the questions, and the answers.
We have divided this episode into 5 parts.
Part 1, at the check-in counter.
Part 2, going through security.
Part 3, at the gate and boarding.
Part 4, real conversation practice.
Part 5, word tour. Key vocabulary from today.
Let's start. Part 1, at the check-in counter. When you arrive at the airport, the first thing you do is check in. You go to the counter and talk to the agent. The agent will ask you questions. Let's learn the most common ones.
First, they will ask for your passport. Can I see your passport, please?
You can answer, "Here you are," or "Yes, of course."
Then they might ask, do you have any bags to check?
This means bags that go under the plane, not in the cabin.
You can answer, yes, 1 bag. Or, no, I only have carry-on.
Carry-on means a small bag you take with you on the plane.
Next question. Did you pack your bags yourself?
They ask this for security reasons. You should answer, "Yes, I did."
Then, has anyone given you anything to carry?
Answer, "No."
Then they will ask about your seat. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
Window seat is by the window. Aisle seat is by the walkway.
You can say, window seat, please, or aisle seat, please.
Finally, they will give you your boarding pass. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is 25. Boarding starts at 10:30.
Listen carefully for your gate number and boarding time.
Let's practice. Repeat after us.
Can I see your passport?
Can I see your passport?
Here you are.
Here you are.
Do you have any bags to check?
Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, 1 bag.
Yes, 1 bag.
Window seat or aisle seat?
Window seat or aisle seat.
Window seat, please.
Window seat, please.
Good. Now you are checked in.
Next step is security. This is where they check your bags and your body for safety.
The security officer will give you instructions. Let's learn what they say.
First, please take off your shoes and jacket.
Please take off your shoes and jacket.
Then, take out your laptop and liquids.
Liquids means things like water, shampoo, or perfume. They must be in a small bag.
Place everything in the tray.
Place everything in the tray.
Then you walk through a scanner. If the alarm beeps, they might say, "Please step over here."
Don't worry, it's normal. Just follow their instructions.
After security, you collect your items. They might say, "You're all set. Have a nice flight."
You can answer, Thank you.
Let's practice. Repeat after us.
Please take off your shoes.
Take out your laptop.
Place everything in the tray.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Good. Security is done.
Now you go to your gate. You wait until it's time to board the plane.
At the gate, you will hear announcements. They might say, "Attention passengers, Flight 237 to New York is now boarding."
Flight 237 to New York is now boarding.
They might call groups. "We are now boarding rows 1 through 10.
We are now boarding rows 1 through 10.
Or, "We are boarding business class passengers first."
When you hear your group, you go to the gate agent. They will scan your boarding pass.
Sometimes they might say, "You need to gate check your bag."
This means the plane is full, so your carry-on bag must go under the plane. It's free.
They will give you a tag for your bag. Then you board the plane.
As you enter, the flight attendant will say, "Welcome aboard."
You can say, "Thank you."
Let's practice. Repeat after us.
Flight 237 is now boarding. Flight 237 is now boarding.
Boarding rows 1 through 10. Boarding rows 1 through 10.
You need to gate check your bag. You need to gate check your bag.
Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good. Now you are on the plane.
Now, let's put everything together. We will have a real conversation at the airport.
I will be the passenger. Sarah will be the check-in agent. Listen carefully.
Hello?
Hello, can I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. And do you have any bags to check today?
Yes, one bag.
Okay. Did you pack your bags yourself?
Yes, I did.
Has anyone given you anything to carry?
No.
Great. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
Aisle seat, please.
Okay. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is 15 and boarding starts at 2:45.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Next. Did you understand everything? Let's break it down.
First, Sarah asked for my passport. I said, "Here you are."
Then I asked about bags. Asadella had one bag to check.
Then the security questions. Did you pack your bags yourself? Yes. Has anyone given you anything? No.
Then seat choice. Asadella chose aisle seat.
Then Sarah gave me my boarding pass with the gate and time.
Simple and easy. You can do this. Now it's time for our word tour. We will go slowly. Listen, repeat, and think about your own life while you learn these phrases.
Yes, this is your time to practice. Don't rush, just breathe and learn.
First word is passport.
Passport means the official document with your photo that proves who you are when you travel.
For example, don't forget your passport. You need it to travel.
Or, the agent asked to see my passport.
You can repeat. Passport.
Passport.
Slowly, passport.
Next word is boarding pass.
Boarding pass means the ticket that lets you get on the plane.
For example, here is your boarding pass. Your gate is 25.
Or, keep your boarding pass ready when you board.
You can repeat. Boarding pass.
Boarding pass. Slowly, boarding pass.
Next word is gate.
Gate means the door where you get on the plane.
For example, our flight leaves from gate 12.
Or, please go to gate 5 for boarding.
You can repeat. Gate.
Gate. Gate.
Next word is check-in.
Check-in means the place where you show your passport and give your bags.
For example, go to the check-in counter first.
Or, check-in opens 2 hours before the flight.
You can repeat. Check-in.
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 Next word is security.
Security means the place where they check your bags and body for safety.
For example, you need to take off your shoes at security.
Or, security was busy today. The line was long.
You can repeat security,
Security.
security.
Next word is carry-on.
Carry-on means a small bag you take with you on the plane.
For example, my carry-on has my laptop and books.
Or carry-on bags must fit under the seat.
You can repeat carry-on.
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 Next word is aisle seat.
Aisle seat means the seat next to the walkway on the plane.
For example, I like the aisle seat because I can stretch my legs.
Or, aisle seat or window seat, which do you prefer?
You can repeat aisle seat,
Aisle seat.
aisle seat.
Next word is window seat.
Window seat means the seat next to the window on the plane.
For example, I love the window seat. I can see the clouds.
Or, can I have a window seat, please?
You can repeat window seat.
Window seat.
Window seat.
Next word is boarding.
Boarding means the time when passengers start getting on the plane.
For example, boarding starts at 10:30. Don't be late.
Or, they are boarding business class now.
You can repeat boarding,
Boarding.
boarding.
Last word is flight.
Flight means a journey on a plane.
For example, have a nice flight.
Or, my flight to London leaves at 6 p.m.
You can repeat flight.
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 Beautiful. 10 words to help you at the airport.
So that was our episode. Let's review what we learned.
Part 1. At the check-in counter. Passport, bags, seat choice, boarding pass.
Part 2. Going through security. Take off shoes, take out laptop, trays.
Part 3. At the gate and boarding. Announcements, boarding groups, welcome aboard.
Part 4. A real conversation. You heard how it works in real life.
Part 5. Word tour. 10 important words for your next airport trip.
Now, here is the most important thing. You need to practice.
Yes, the next time you travel or even before you travel, imagine the conversation.
Say the words out loud. Practice in the mirror.
Imagine the agent asking questions. Practice your answers.
Practice makes perfect.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, finish this sentence.
The next time I go to the airport, I will.
Maybe you will say your seat choice in English. Maybe you will ask for help. Write it down.
We will read every comment and cheer you on.
And if you found this episode helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the English Master channel, and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
This is Asadullah.
And this is Sarah.
Take care of your English, take care of yourself, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Until next time.
Remember, the airport is just a place. It's not a test. You can do this.
Safe travels and happy learning. Bye, everyone.